Join me as I dive deep into the current chaos surrounding Hood stock and figure out what's really going on right now. Hood stock has been making waves in the financial world lately, and for good reason. As we're seeing markets fluctuate on a daily basis, investors are scrambling to stay ahead of the curve. In this landscape, Hood stock's performance is more relevant than ever, with many wondering what's driving its recent moves. The reality is Hood stock is facing an uphill battle right now. Market volatility is at an all-time high, and investor sentiment is more divided than ever. Regulatory issues are also casting a shadow over the company's future, leaving many to ponder what's next. The stock has been on a rollercoaster ride, and it's anyone's guess where it'll end up. One thing's for sure, though, the journey ahead will be turbulent. To make matters worse, investor confidence is waning. A string of disappointing earnings reports has spooked the market, and many are jumping ship. As a result, Hood stock's valuation has taken a hit, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to predict its next move. The company's leadership is under scrutiny, and it's unclear if they have what it takes to turn things around. The lack of clear direction is another major concern. With so many conflicting signals in the market, it's tough to pinpoint which way Hood stock will trend. Are we seeing a correction, or is this the start of a longer-term downturn? The answer, of course, is that nobody knows for sure. However, one thing's certain, the stakes are higher than ever, and the next few weeks will be crunch time for Hood stock. Looking deeper, there are several factors contributing to Hood stock's recent struggles. Key economic indicators, like GDP growth and inflation rates, are painting a mixed picture. On one hand, some metrics are looking up, but on the other, others are causing concern. This mixed bag is making it tough for investors to get a read on the company's prospects. Add to that the constant flow of news and company updates, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. Company news has been another major driver of Hood stock's volatility. The recent shift in management has left many wondering if the new leadership can right the ship. There are signs of improvement, but it's still early days, and the jury's out on whether they can deliver. Competitor analysis also reveals some interesting trends. While Hood stock's peers are facing similar challenges, some are weathering the storm better than others. Delving deeper, we can see that economic indicators are having a major impact on Hood stock's performance. The recent uptick in interest rates, for example, has put pressure on the company's debt servicing. Add to that the slowing growth rate, and it's clear why investors are getting nervous. The news flow is also playing a major role, with key announcements having an outsized impact on the stock's price. One piece of news that could change the trajectory of Hood stock, though, is the upcoming regulatory decision. If the ruling goes in the company's favor, it could be a major catalyst for the stock's rebound. On the other hand, if the decision goes against them, it could be a crushing blow. The uncertainty surrounding this event is what's driving so much of the volatility we're seeing right now. The critical insight to take away from all this is that Hood stock's future is far from certain. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, there are also opportunities for those willing to do their homework. The key is to separate the signal from the noise and stay focused on the underlying fundamentals. In summary, Hood stock is facing some major headwinds right now, but that doesn't mean there aren't opportunities to be had. By understanding the challenges, exploring the contributing factors, and keeping an eye on the key insights, we can start to make sense of this chaotic market. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Hood stock in the comments below. If you're looking for more in-depth analysis, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 stocks to watch right now, link in the description box.